Generally, under the Federal Rules of Evidence, or FRE, and state law equivalents, hearsay evidence, which is an out-of-court statement that's offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted in the statement, is inadmissible. However, there are some exceptions if the declarant of the statement is unavailable as a witness. In Travelers Fire Insurance Company v. Wright, the Oklahoma Supreme Court considered whether prior testimony of a witness was admissible against the same party in a later proceeding when the witness was unavailable. J.B. Wright and J.C. Wright were partners in the Wright Motor Company in Oklahoma. In the late 1950s, a fire destroyed some of the Wrights' personal property. At the time, the property was insured under 2 fire insurance policies issued by Travelers Fire Insurance. Following the fire, J.B. was charged in state district court with arson in connection with the fire. At J.B.'s criminal trial, Willis Holland Epler and Albert Brown were called as witnesses. They testified that J.B., with their help, intentionally burned down the building. Later, J.B. was convicted and sentenced to 5 years in prison. Subsequently, J.B. and J.C. sued Travelers in state district court to recover $20,000 under the 2 fire insurance policies. In response, Travelers defended on the ground that the fire had been committed by arson. At trial, Travelers sought to call Epler and Brown to testify, but each claimed their Fifth Amendment constitutional privilege against self-incrimination and refused to testify. Travelers then offered the certified transcripts of the testimony they gave in the criminal case into evidence. The court reporter who took the evidence in the criminal case testified as to the correctness of the transcript, the nature of the case, and the parties involved. Further, Travelers offered to have the reporter read the transcript into evidence in the civil case. The court excluded the testimony, and the jury returned a verdict in favor of the Wright brothers for $20,000. Travelers appealed to the Oklahoma Supreme Court.